ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಾವು ಜ್ಯೂಸರು ಮತ್ತು ಬದ್ರಿಕರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೋತಾಸ್ ಕಾಫಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Namaste. You see the interior is very nicely done. This is Kothas coffee, and you have hot beverages, means hot filter coffee, black coffee, hot badam milk, garupatti coffee, hot milk, and you have classic cold coffee, mocha cold coffee, bourbon coffee, and you also have some fried snacks like Punjabi samosa, sabudana vada, and onion rings, pizza pocket, french fries, potato shots, and crispy jalapeno poppers, Lebanese falafel kebab also you get. And of course you have some cookies like butter cookies, ginger cookies, and ajwain cake crust, and atta cookies, pepper, sidai, tatai, and tea cake you have. Iced tea also you have, you know. The beauty of this place is you get iced tea also in 9 o'clock January. How cool is that? Isn't it nice? So guys, come and have enjoy, and I'm back to the producer.